Imagine a journey just for you, through golden vineyards, sunlit hillside villages, and the most breathtaking landscapes Italy has to offer. This is Indulge Destinations' exclusive women's journey to Tuscany. Join us June 22nd through 29th, 2027, with an optional pre-night arrival on June 21st to ease into the adventure. Your home base is the enchanting hilltop town of Montecatini, a gem tucked in the heart of Tuscany. From this beautiful retreat, you'll set out each day to explore jaw-dropping landscapes, taste world-class wines, and soak in the culinary traditions that have made this region legendary. Picture yourself wandering through sun-drenched vineyards and ancient olive groves along the rolling hills of Montalbano. And then, stand in the very town where Leonardo da Vinci was born. At the Leonardo da Vinci Museum, you'll come face to face with the genius of the Renaissance like never before. From the lush, sweeping Chianti Valley to the dramatic beauty of the Etruscan coast, every landscape here feels like a painting come to life. Wander through charming wine shops, cozy cafes, and storied estates, discovering hidden gems that most travelers never find. Roll up your sleeves and step into a rustic Tuscan farmhouse for an authentic Italian cooking lesson, laughing, cooking, and sharing a delicious meal you made yourself. And back at your hotel, you'll discover the irresistible art of Italian dessert making. Trust us, you'll want to remember every bite. Raise a glass right where it all begins. Sip celebrated Chianti and super Tuscan wines directly from the vineyards and cellars that craft them, and understand, with every sip, why Tuscany is the wine world's greatest treasure. This journey was made for women like you, curious, adventurous, and smart about travel. You'll experience the real Tuscany, intimate, authentic, and wonderfully off the beaten path, without breaking the bank. And everything you need is already taken care of. Hand-selected accommodations, expert tour directors, knowledgeable local guides, and a private first-class motor coach with Wi-Fi, so you can focus entirely on falling in love with Italy. With a maximum of just 28 guests, this small group experience feels personal every step of the way. Your included highlights: the Leonardo da Vinci Museum, a local bakery tasting in Montecatini, a special Chianti Valley lunch, a Tuscan farmhouse cooking lesson, guided sightseeing in Lucca at Palazzo Mansi and Palazzo Fahner, an orientation of Bolgheri with a wine cellar visit, a cellar visit in Castagneto Carducci with liquor tasting, and a dessert cooking class back in Montecatini. Your meals are covered too. Breakfast every morning, 3 lovely dinners, and 2 delicious lunches. This exceptional itinerary is priced at $2,359 per person based on double occupancy, representing outstanding value for everything included. A single supplement of $170 is available. An optional pre-night on June 21st is available for $70 per person, double occupancy. A deposit of $250 per person secures your reservation. Guests fly into Florence or Pisa, Italy. Your Tuscany story is waiting to be written. Don't miss your place on this extraordinary women's journey with Indulge Destinations. Memories that will last a lifetime are just one step away.